this woman called the former Chief Justice Torkornoo, she is one arrogant. She is selfish. She feels so entitled. She does not respect our constitution. She thinks everything evolves around her. So the sense of entitlement, it didn't move. Into Obugan of when you say we are supposed to listen to her, even at a point where she wants us to bend the law and review the constitution to make her feel important in her dross. And that is the despicable thing about all that is happening today when it comes to the CJ matter. Who wouldn't love to have Torkornoo as a mom? I would love to have her as a mom. Who wouldn't want to have a woman as a judge? We all want to have a woman as a judge. But who wouldn't want to speak when a woman or somebody like Torkornoo, who has been given power to serve, wants to act like she can command us around, and to the point where she wants our constitution to be touched because of her. So she's so full of herself. Now they don't have anything to say. Yes, Madam Torkornoo ako court. The problem you know say, or see and stop it proceedings no, and I say committee ne juma na omo ye no, because she needs to sit before the constitution committee for them to question her on her actions. Boni a wodi no, I will say a busa na the boni na obie na noka. Or say on person obeye inti. And the MPP for say lawyers ni judge bi echo restaurant. Na sa restaurant na mu nyina hye ho no. It means say sa judge no any lawyers oboba almost separate places better na restaurant no. Kianeki they were having a meeting and having a coup to take out, and I say to make sure Torkornoo, disrespectful Torkornoo, never comes back as Chief Justice. Where on earth, actually, wait, Jimmy, for somebody to tell you this kind of story? And these judges and these lawyers are reputable. I don't even have time to mention names because this story is funny. They didn't get any secure location. Sa judges na moka say, omako shia, akoye meeting, any lawyers no, the whole Accra no more, such a sensitive issue. They didn't have any place to meet than a restaurant where waitresses are going, people are sitting next to them, whilst people know who they are. They didn't have anywhere to go sit in an open restaurant to do what? Have a meeting and cook a story about it. With Jimmy. Now, these are the videos they are circulating. Say, oh, Judge Way, and a lawyers be echo share restaurant, my CCTV, about Bontine, Joy News, some ya jandam, adaya, waiting a Chief Justice say, Bonina wedding yinano, on penny, on coffee, or person sabedi Chief Justice. So one, these are judges who enter a restaurant. And when you watch the video, this is a busy restaurant. In fact, the chairs are so close to the point whereby if you are even talking to your girlfriend or your wife and you are not very quiet, the next person could hear everything. We are talking about people who are well known. We are talking about judges, lawyers, who are well known everywhere, who can be noticed. They walk into a restaurant and you expect them to go sit in the middle of the restaurant and have a meeting about the Chief Justice. Serious. Actually, with Jimmy. How can that be the basis? Say, you see, amounphobia. Now, these people enter, they go to meet people sitting there. They are in the same profession. A lawyer, a judge, judges, they see judges, they show respect. They walk to them. Because if you're a lawyer and you see a judge, it is very important or respectful to walk to the judge, even whether you are older than him or not. You just have to walk to him out of respect to just say, exchange pleasantries. Now, the second video you are seeing, these are people who just go to restaurant, lawyers in the same profession, see a judge sitting with another person, they walk past them, some of them shake, some go to the other side, the other person sees that the judge is on the other side, go say hello and come back. This thing is casual. And this is what MPP are circulating, that because of this, a serious meeting has happened in the middle of a busy restaurant. Now, Sebio, rent a hotel room. The lawyer who who got out from his seat out of respect when he looked around and saw his colleagues, some being a judge, some of them being one of them being a judge and others being lawyers, just got up, exchange pleasantries, say, hey, boss, namasuma hey, I yes you did you. You remember my show Jafri Kasa. Oh, nice. Wey na Madam Torkornoo akogina court e ka kire Ghana fo nyina say, we ni meeting. I'm like, are we mad as a people? And a whole chief justice goes to court and says, pene ema den, pene ma committee na Ghana Constitution ashe me ateno, pene mo monko so adentra. There's people on the committee, they were at this restaurant in T. Na adwini mu no, ohun se na omo bo ne ho po. Like this is where we are. This is total destruction. Where the woman has no case. She is scared to meet the committee. She knows she has committed crimes, not a crime, crimes that she needs to answer to. The whole Chief Justice, suspended CJ Torkornoo through her lawyer, Godfrey Dame, Tio. Chief Justice way akofa Godfrey Dame send a lawyer. Na ende our court no Godfrey Dame na oya attorney general in the government that brought her. Suddenly or shockingly or surprisingly, Torkornoo morally when your lawyer Bia or Ghana say that attorney general that we were talking say she was favoring the attorney general, helping the attorney general, conniving with the executive and attorney general, jailing people politically. This woman morally could not move away from that assertion to go get somebody to be her lawyer. When your lawyer Bia or Ghana say, the Nana Adodankwa Ekufuado lawyer, Godfrey Dame na yen lawyer or the Jina court. Like Jesus Christ. Obia ye Torkornoo edruana. Ana Torkornoo onfere ade. Torkornoo ni age ni na umudi 17, 18 na. Neighborhood you from abena hu bondie omo fere ade. Torkornoo is not shy of anything. She's not embarrassed. Torkornoo me assure say time I know this 17, 18 in neighborhood no. Now your friend abena hu bondie because the issue is you should be even ashamed. Morally, you're not even supposed to go back and bring Godfrey Dame. But you know what hurts? It is the rationale behind what they are trying to do. They are forcing us to think, say, Madam Torkornoo, into what she wants is what we have to do. That is what I hate about what is happening.